I've had a couple of questions on evaluating piecewise functions, so I thought I'd do a couple examples. So if you were asked to evaluate f of 5 plus f of negative 3 plus f of 4 minus f of negative 2, and you were given this piecewise function, then you have to first see where these numbers fit into each one of these. So you're going to use this one to evaluate if x is less than or equal to negative 2. You would use this one to evaluate if x is greater than negative 2 but less than or equal to 4. And then you would use this one if x is larger than 4. So let's break this down. So if I did f of 5, which one does it fit into? 5 is definitely greater than 4, so that's the function you would use for that one. F of negative 3 would fit into this one because it's smaller than or equal to negative 2. So that's the one we would use for that. F of 4 would be in the yellow one because it is less than or equal to 4, not greater than 4. And then f of negative 2 is kind of the same same thing there, same concept. It is less than or equal to negative 2. So you would use that one in the pink one. Okay, so that's what we're going to do there. So if I did f of 5, what I would have to do is put it in the blue here. So I would do negative 8 times 5 minus 1. That's negative 40 minus 1. And that would be negative 41. Okay, and then I would add f of negative 3. Negative 3 goes into this one, so you would have 2 times, that's a plus, 2 times negative 3 minus 3. That part would be negative 6 minus 3, which is negative 9. Then you would do 4. Again, 4 fits into this one, so you would put it in this one. You would add 4 squared plus 4, which is 20. And then f of negative 2 would fit into this one. So you would do minus. Now, you have to get this value first before you subtract. So negative 2 would go into 2 times negative 2 minus 3. Now, the notation there, you would have to put that in parentheses because you're minusing that value. So I'm going to subtract whatever that is. Negative 4 minus 7, or excuse me, negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. Okay. So then I would just have to evaluate. So negative 41 minus 9 plus 20 plus 7 is negative 50 plus 20 plus 7, which is negative 30 plus 7, which would be negative 23. I hope that helps you understand how to evaluate these and first figure out where these numbers fit. Where does it make it true? Where does the x value fit into those inequalities, and then plug it into that function.